Hello coders, welcome to Code with Mind. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. Our topic for this video is JavaScript variable types. There are three types of variables in JavaScript: var, let, and const. Var is a JavaScript keyword used to declare a variable with global or function scope. Var can be declared without initialization. Hoisting occurs in var. Var allows variables to declare with same name. Let is a JavaScript keyword used to declare a variable with block, statement or expression scope. Let can be declared without initialization. Hoisting does not occur in let. Let does not allow variables with same name and same block of code. Const is a JavaScript keyword used to declare a constant with block, statement or expression scope. Const cannot be declared without initialization. Value assigned to const cannot be changed and remain constant and read-only. Please like, comment and share this video and subscribe channel. Thank you.